Meaning of heavy breather.
Heavy breather.
Heavy breather.
Heavy breather.
Heavy breather. Heavy breather is a term used to describe someone who breathes loudly or heavily, often due to physical activity or emotional distress. In some cases, it can also refer to individuals who engage in sexually suggestive phone calls, known as heavy breathing calls. The term has a negative connotation and can imply that the person is breathing in a way that is disturbing or annoying to others. Overall, the term heavy breather is used to describe a person whose breathing is louder or more intense than what is considered normal or appropriate in a given context.